Hello and welcome back one more time to Lion Bull Academy. Now we're gonna explain about TipRanks, what exactly it is and why I use it and for what. Really, TipRanks, you can find all the information in the page in Etoro. If you go to investigation, that's all the information you can find in TipRanks about the stocks. So you have all the information more right make in more easy to follow in Etoro because they are powered by TipRanks also this kind of information, the low price, the medium price, and the high price the expectation have in the next 12 months. Really interesting stuff to watch. Then why I use it TipRanks if already you have the information there. Now I explain you. I use TipRanks specially for follow my performance in portfolio, and you can make your portfolio, write in everything. Then you can go here and see which stocks go better in the day, which go worse, compare how go all the market. You can see which part of the market go better and go worse. You can have some news. That's not tough. But what I really like too much here is because you can get better information about the calendar of dividends and earnings than in Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha I use more for researching data. Here I use it for looking the calendar. You have this version for looking at calendar, very beautiful, nice. You can see really perfectly where is the ex-dividend and the earnings. Then you can see here the holdings I have it. You can see what stock I have. You can put yours there and you can see what you have it. You can see the price target, the same what I show you just in eToro, just here. Um, Faster way to see if how far you are from that. You see here is you can go up till 78%. Here can go up till 210%. That's the probable profit you can get in the next 12 months. So it's really interesting to know how how can go your account in the next 12 months. You have also here a very nice that here is the news analysis, very interesting. You here can find some nice information what is the sentiment about this stock, really all visual, very nice to see. Then you have the portfolio calendar, that's very nice, will show all the stock you own, will show you here when will be the next ex-dividend, the pay dates, also when they gonna come in outside, and the earnings release will come in also. So all the information will be here, really nice to follow and easy. Then you have my portfolio analysis here. Why I use this part? Because I can measure my real risk. It is very low. Here I can show the volatility of the market, but here the more interested in this one. Here show my portfolio dividends. This means how much dividends will make my portfolio, how much dividend I will earn in percents and in money, in value. So here say me my portfolio this year gonna give around 8.62% a year. Will be around $105 a year. Very nice. And you can click here and he show you the dividend yield of each stock, the top holdings I have it, and will be the oncoming dividends, which they will be the ex-dividend date, the more closer. So it's really perfect for that stuff. You price earning is you can see how good you are compared with everybody. More close to zero, better you are. Then you have some more information about your portfolio. This I don't look into much. Then you have your performance, what you do it. At the moment, example, me start be better. It's just 1 month I'm here. Still need time for really take all the numbers right. I think around 5 to 6 months will be really interesting to look in that page. Show my stars. At the moment, I am in the positions 39,902. I hope be one of the top 25 of this page in the future. And here is what I put always in the link below the description. I put always my link to this page of TipRanks. You can see all what I show you, but a little bit more compressed and all the information of what I am doing. Here's my YouTube. channel and my Etoro page. Here more details about my performance and what I'm doing and my recent activity that you can follow, and this you can be also informed in the information in the mobile. So that's how I use this application. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's show you what I was going to say you about. You remember you have here the data example. Let's look at here show us what they waiting from this company. If you go, is exactly the same information because Etoro have this information from TipRanks that they give it to them. They have a partnership. Yes, the nice of Etoro, you have all the information in one page. Here you need to go page by page and have few information. You have more information in the page of Etoro. So really, I advise you to look at the page of Etoro for that stuff. And the only nice I like here is the stock analysis. Here we show you what thinking the analyst about the stock. More in the green better, more in the red is for sell, more in the green is for buy. Now they are about medium. Here they say what they thinking about the stock in any aspect. So it's all visual and very easy to study. That was all. I hope you like it. Really, I think it's very useful tool for progressing in your analysis of stocks and dividends. That is for what we are here. If you like the video, please click the like button. You have some questions, just comment down below. Remember, if you like, I will get more views by time. Subscribe if you still don't subscribe. If you subscribe, you can help me like this. I can grow in this channel and I can start even earning some money from YouTube. That's why I continue to make free videos because I want to earn it from YouTube, not from you. The more important of all, take care of yourself. Very difficult times, but don't worry, will pass. And I tell you one more time, as account this year probably will make 100% profit. Okay, see you next time. Ciao.